Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. Customer states, my car sounds like it's brewing coffee. And this customer states, my dashboard lights are stuck in party mode. This customer came in complaining about lots of vibration while driving on the highway. The customer drove their BMW into the shop with the lower ball joint determined not to give up. This car came in because the customer complained about weird noises coming from their differential. And this car came in because it had issues starting after having been parked in a garage that got flooded. This technician had this Audi in for a coolant leak. Apparently, the hose had been rubbing on the engine cover, and that was the cause of the issue. This customer somehow managed to drive their car in like this, complaining about clunking sounds coming from the front. The technician said that he regretted taking it for a test drive before actually seeing this. Customer states, change my oil and filters and swap my wiper blades because the ones I got don't work. This customer had just bought this car the night before and found a small oil puddle on their driveway the next morning. This customer came in for a tire swap and the mechanic discovered this. The customer insisted that their calipers had a few more miles on them and declined all repairs. And this guy had just bought his first car and needed to change his wheel bearing. He didn't have enough money to bring it into a shop, so he decided to do it himself. He knew it was bad, but he didn't know it was this bad. This customer came in because they had added water to their engine after misunderstanding the add coolant message on their dashboard. Apparently, a neighbor saw him doing this and told him to stop and bring the car into a shop to get it fixed. And this customer said that his car was running really rough and had just pulled up in front of the shop to have it checked when this happened. Customer states, it's a bit noisy when I hit the brakes.
Looks good.
This customer came in because their oil cooler was leaking. The owner of this ATV complained about it dying on him every time he made a right turn. And this customer came in for a regular oil and filter change, but didn't mention when it had been done the last time. Customer states, was driving on the highway and heard a loud bang. Car then started running poorly. This mechanic was about to put this new transmission cooler into the customer's car, but when he got the old one out, he noticed that the transmission had been under some serious pressure. Customer states, my car keeps rocking all the time. Rocking all the time. And this customer had this happen to his car after he was driving through a shallow puddle that turned out to be a large hole in the road. This customer rolled in complaining about bad clunking sounds when driving over bumps. The technician found that the CV axle was the main culprit. And this brick Volvo is not your average grocery getter. This customer was 130 miles away from home when their shock broke as they were pulling in to get gas at a gas station. Apparently, the gas station mechanic did a little quick fix for 20 bucks just so that the customer could drive their car home. And this Chevy Traverse had a pretty broken crankshaft thrust bearing. And this customer came in stating oil leak and bad acceleration. It turned out to be a blown turbo oil seal. And this customer's car last had an oil change 65,000 miles ago. The owner of this car had changed his own oil but came in because it wouldn't start afterwards. Apparently, he had overfilled the engine with a total of 10 quarts. Customer states, my car jerks around too much. And this customer states, my windshield leaks oil, please fix it. The technician found that the customer had mistakenly filled their washer fluid tank with vegetable oil. Apparently, this customer had insisted on driving onto the lift themselves at a quick fix repair shop. This customer came in complaining about a loud noise after having installed a new power steering pump by himself. The mechanics found that he had cut out a piece of the frame to fit the power steering lines. Customer states, engine is seized. This customer had accidentally put gasoline in her diesel car and had to come in to get her fuel tank drained. Customer states, my back wheel jiggles when going in reverse. And this Chrysler came in because of a pretty bad engine vibration. And this customer states, my rear door sounds like a half-full water cooler jug.
Let's see here, what do we got? Oh yeah, 90 pounds. Yeah, no problem.
This customer came in because they complained about poor braking power. The technician found a broken brake booster and pretty much no fluid in the reservoir. And this customer came in to replace their lower ball joint just in time. Customer states, my car leaves green puddles of coolant everywhere I park. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.